Heavy equipment access limitations can totally mess up your home project timeline if you don't plan ahead, so here's how to handle it without losing your mind. Alright, first thing you want to do is check out every entrance to your site, like the driveway, gates, or any narrow paths, and see if your big machines can even fit through. If it's tight or tricky, think about renting smaller equipment that can still get the job done, but won't get stuck or cause damage. Also, look at the ground conditions. Muddy or soft spots can make heavy gear sink or get stuck, so you might need to lay down mats or gravel for better traction. Don't forget about overhead stuff like low-hanging branches or power lines that could block tall equipment. Talk to your contractor about these limits early so they can plan the best way to bring gear in and out without problems. You could also break the project into smaller chunks that only need light equipment for certain parts. If you have neighbors close by, giving them a heads up about the equipment and timing can save you headaches later on. Lastly, keep some extra time in your schedule just in case things take longer because of access issues. Better to be safe than stressed out. One of the biggest mistakes people make with heavy equipment access is not scouting the site thoroughly before the project starts, which leads to delays and extra costs. The fix? Walk the entire site yourself or with your contractor well in advance and measure everything carefully. Another common problem is assuming all equipment sizes are standard when some machines might be way too big for your space. So always check specs and ask for smaller alternatives if needed. Lastly, forgetting about overhead obstacles can cause serious accidents or damage, so always look up and around before scheduling any heavy machinery deliveries and remove or trim anything in the way. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid place where homeowners can find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff about handling tricky site access. Plus, contractors get a chance to connect with people who need their skills, making it easier to score jobs without the usual hassle.